Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Today I'm going to make a fake rock. Yes, you heard it here first guys, a fake rock. Now I got the idea because I saw a building being made out of polystyrene with cement and different bits and pieces and metal and things and wire. And I thought, oh, that's a good idea, and let me try and make a rock. So what I'm going to do is, I've never made a fake rock before. I've made fake food, but not a fake rock. So what I'm going to try and do is have a little go at it. And I shall make a few little clipettes just to see if you guys would like to make a fake rock, because you never know, you might do. You don't know where it might take you if you make one of these. And it's going to be more of an indoor rock or a fair weather rock. So I'm not 100% sure how to treat it yet if you left it outside, but i.e. in the rain. It's going to be all right outside if it doesn't get wet, but this is a fair weather rock. So just keep it at that at the moment. And yeah, I might make another one if this works, and we'll be able to put it out in the rain. And we'll see how we go. But I need to do a little bit of research on how to make it waterproof and make it not look like it's wet all the time. Because I know how to make it waterproof, but it would look wet all the time. That's not what we want. We want the rock to look dry, and then it can get wet when it's outside and not disintegrate. So hopefully you understood all that, and I'm sure you did, because you're fantastic. And yes, let's try. So without further ado, I've got some little bits and pieces. Now I thought it would be a good idea to use some of my cardboard up. Now I've got all different cardboard here. As you can see, a little box came today with a luxury product in that was delivered, and some toilet rolls, that's the word, and some other odd bits of cardboard. So what I'm going to do is sort of make it into a rock shape. Now, it needs to be, I think, well, to start with, I will just use this and then build from there. If you know what I mean, what I'm saying. You do, that's great. And yes, hopefully you're still with me and thinking, why would I need a rock? But you never know, you might be able to adapt it in some way. And yeah, you could always throw it. Not at someone, because that wouldn't be good. Even if it is a fake rock, it could still do damage. I wouldn't do that. I don't recommend that at all. But without further ado and waffling on, I shall get my luxury glue gun. Here it is. Look at that. You've seen that before. And I'm just going to glue down this box. Now, I don't need to be too careful with this because you're not going to see it. Yes. There you go. And I've just realised the camera is shaking when I touch the table, so that's not good. Right, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to use that as the bottom and this is the top, and I think I might just stick randomly some of these toilet rolls all around. You don't have to be too particular because it's a rock and they're organic, literally. And yeah, so we're just gonna, you'll probably think, how am I going to make this into a rock? But I am going to cover it with paper and things like that, and then a little bit of clay, air dry clay, I think. Not too much though, because I want it to be light. I don't want to be having a problem lifting it up. So there you go, we've got this bit so far. See, you don't have to be too worried about it to start with. So there we go, we've got that bit. So now I'm going to use some of this cardboard, luxury cardboard it once was, and I'm just going to mess about with it. In fact, this is looking a bit rock-like already. Can you see that? Can you see that? You can, that's right. So I'm just going to sort of stick that round there, like so. Just keep that pushed in. and put that over the top like so. And that come off, so that's not good. I need to hold it a bit longer. So I'm going to carry on doing that. I'm going to cut this clip because you don't really want to see me keep sticking pieces of cardboard on cardboard. And then we'll come back to the next part of this exciting little clip. Okay, I'll see you again in a moment. Keep watching. It doesn't turn off, guys, and it should do. So that's a fail. That's a big fail, guys. I'm not going to cut this out. I'm going to let you watch it because it's funny. Because this is real life, guys. You know what I mean? What I'm saying? You do. That's great. I got a little clicker here that switches off the camera for me. And it has been working. But just because I'm doing this for you guys, it's not working. So, yeah, whatever. It's a bit of a fail. We have a little bit of a fail every day, don't we? But we get over it. And how are we going to get over it? I'm just going to press the stop button. So I will see you again in the next clip. Bye-bye for now.